Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to use your fingerprint to unlock your device on your POCO X4 GT. As you can see here at this moment I have a pin for security reasons. So I have 4 times a 0, perhaps you have a pattern, and every time I have to type this in. But there's a more secure way, and it's your fingerprint. So how do we activate this fingerprint sensor? We go to the settings, and when we are in our settings, we go to passwords and security. And here at the top right, we have the fingerprint unlock. So first thing is confirm your PIN. So again, 4 times a 0, I say okay, and then add your fingerprint. Fingerprint sensor is located on the right edge of your device, and this is the on-off button. So if I go now with my thumb here, and you will see that this graphic will fill every time I am putting my finger on it, and it will just take a few seconds. Sometimes he will say move your finger slightly, but that's okay. And then he wants to try a second one, but it's really fast. So now we are ready to go. Add face data. To be able to use face unlock, add face data first. Add now. No. Why no? Because face data here is a little bit complicated, because you only have here one camera, and the camera doesn't recognize the depth of the person who's standing there. So a lot of smartphones, you can trick them by only showing a photo from yourself, and that's not what we want to. So I would recommend to you not to use the face unlock, only the unlock with your fingerprint. And you can see here I can give my fingerprint a name, thumb right hand or something, and then I can click on done. And you can also add other fingerprints. Okay, so and here you can also see the fingerprint recognition method. First is touch, so you don't have to press it. And the second one is press. I will leave it with touch, and use the fingerprints for lock screen, privacy password, app lock, and fingerprint payments. All right, so let's take a look again. So what will happen when I turn it on and I want to swipe it up? Okay, enter PIN or use fingerprint to unlock. So if I put another finger there, then try again. Couldn't verify your fingerprint. And you can see I can always get into my device by typing in the PIN. So what will happen when I just use my finger, my thumb, and you can see, wow, how fast it is. Really great, or not? So this is how the fingerprint sensor works on the POCO X4 GT. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.